Hi friends, welcome back to the channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates as well as interview tips, interview experience I share with you, and as well as I try to solve different doubts of my viewers and subscribers. So if you have come first time in our channel, you can subscribe. You will achieve the success path with us. You will get complete placement solution with us. So make your life better and learn together. So hit the subscribe button to stay tuned with us, and if you really find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and if you find not helpful this video, you can dislike this video. So in today's video I'm going to discuss about interview experience which is shared by one of our candidate who has placed in Capgemini. So he had shared some experience of him, so I have jotted his all points who have mentioned in his mail, so I have jotted it to show you guys. So he had given his interview on 14th of September. So let me show you what is the actual process he experienced. So analyst experience it was for the AC role, that is software engineer role. So analyst interview experience had shared by him. Application date was 7th of April and the online test occurred on 13th of May 2021, and he got the mail of clearing that round on 16th of June. So after that, after 3 months gap, like June up to June to September, July, August, September, 3 months gap is there when he received about his interview link and resume upload request. Okay, so one mail come from Capgemini HR to upload the resume in the Litmus Box portal. On 7th of September, he had done that, and he received one interview link on 11th of September. Actual interview happened on 14th of September, which I have already mentioned. At 11 a.m. to 12 p.m., he got his slot, and through Superset, these all process have done registration to up to interview. So he able to check his status change to offered on 15th of September at 5 p.m. So first of all, congratulations. So I just want to say, please go ahead with your further future, and you will do your best in your career. So all the best. So, and also thanks for believing in us, and thanks for sharing your experience with us. So you have mentioned to not to disclose your name, so we are not mentioning your name. So all the best. I think you were seeing this video, so thank you, thanks for your support. So all of you guys, if you just want to be placed like him and you want to share the experience with me, you can directly mail to our mail id ayush.easyearn2020@gmail.com. Otherwise you can share your experience in our comment box as well as in our Instagram profile, or you can share through our Telegram channel also. So now let me tell you the questions he faced in the interview. Like, so what I was discussing, that he received his letter of intent on 16th of September. So he able to see he got the offer on 15th of September, and he received the letter of intent on 16th of September, and he submitted documents on 18th of September, and got offer letter on 22nd of September, and his joining date is 24th of September. So now I want to discuss with you the questions. So basically, first the HR asked him to show the ID card, and he saved that in his PC. So he able to share his screen and show them the ID card. So if you are getting a chance to sit in an interview, then you have to do the same thing, because uh, sometimes they are not able to see through webcam. So it's better to show the identity ID card copy through your laptop screen sharing. So now next the question he got is, tell me about yourself. So also he given his best introduction ever with 1.5 and more than that time in this tell me about yourself portion. So interviewer told him to stop at that point and asked him, like what is the OOPS concept, what is his knowledge about this OOPS concept. Asked him about abstraction, encapsulation, polymorphism with example to show them, and difference between array and list, what is difference between Python and C, types of join in SQL. Asked about left join, right join. So if you were preparing the joins, if you were preparing for SQL, try to focus on joins, because joins is very important. You can expect any one of the question from this part in any of the interview of this IT industries. Next, he got, where do you want to see yourself in 5 years? This is also one tricky question. So try to give answer of this question in a very intellectual manner. Like you want to tell, you need to tell like you will be a good position in this company and you want to get the senior software engineer or manager level position in this role. So this would be the answer. In this manner you need to give the answer. And next question he got, like tell me about the last book you read. So as he told, the reading books is his hobbies, so that's why he received this question. So I will suggest that if you are mentioning your hobbies, try to be very specific, because most of the times we have seen that one or more candidates are giving interview in TCS, they are just randomly saying that playing cricket is my hobby, or they are saying reading books is my hobby, but as reality, as of reality, they are not like to read books or not like to play cricket. So be very specific about that point, because they can understand, because they will counterly question you, like tell us about few cricketers and some important matches also they can ask. So try to be more specific, because they want to test, like if you are loving something, then how you were passionate uh, about that work. Okay, in that manner they will try to judge you. Okay, so be very specific. Next question he got is, why do you want to join Capgemini? So there may be very different reasons. Some of wants to join as it's a very good IT industry and very good service-based company, renowned company. There are lots of reasons. Try to uh, do a homework about this company, like where is it headquartered, and what is its revenue of this company, etc., etc. This type of questions you need to just keep in your mind. And also another one question he not got in his interview, but I will say, like why Capgemini or any other company will hire you. Okay, you have to be prepared about this question. So next, he asked about three questions to the interviewer, like because the interviewer asked him that, do you have any questions for me? So he asked three questions. So this is his interview, and the student is from BTech IT background and 2021 pass out. So this is the all interview experience shared by this candidate. So once again, congratulations, and I hope you really like this video, and you really like the content. Please share this news with your friends and hit the subscribe button to support us, and you can follow us in our Instagram and Telegram channel, and you can share your interview experience there. We will try to prepare videos on those, and we will like to congratulate and put your name in that video. So thanks friends, thanks for watching this video. We will meet in next video with new job updates.